Your breakfast controls your blood sugar for the entire day, and most people get it wrong. In the morning, our bodies are naturally more resistant to insulin. This means a sugary breakfast can send your glucose on a wild roller coaster ride for hours, leading to crashes and cravings. But what if you could have a delicious breakfast that keeps you balanced and energized? Today we're making a simple, powerful bowl to do just that. We'll use Greek yogurt, mixed berries, chia seeds, and walnuts. This combination is a game changer for blood sugar stability. Here's how it works. The protein in the Greek yogurt slows down the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing a rapid sugar rush. Berries are packed with fiber and antioxidants. The fiber acts like a net, catching sugar and releasing it slowly into your bloodstream. Then we have chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses absorb liquid and form a gel, which slows digestion even further. They're also full of healthy fats. Finally, walnuts add more healthy fats and a protein boost, providing long-lasting satiety and keeping your energy levels stable. Let's put it all together. Start with a serving of plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt in a bowl. This will be our high-protein base. Next, add a handful of mixed berries. We're using fresh raspberries and blueberries for their vibrant color and low sugar content. Now, sprinkle on 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. They will add a wonderful texture and a huge fiber boost to keep you full. Top it off with a small handful of crushed walnuts for a satisfying crunch and those essential healthy fats. Give it a gentle stir to combine all the ingredients. Look at how creamy and delicious that is already. And there you have it, a beautiful, nutrient-dense breakfast ready in under 5 minutes. Try this tomorrow for steadier energy.